Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we have broken through the level. We broke through that on Monday pretty much. Tuesday was a continuation. I didn't really get an opportunity to get in on the pullback here, and you'll see what I mean. That was the level we had, and we're pretty much looking for some kind of a pullback. We did get a bit of a pullback, but not really onto a level that we could trade off. Okay, so no trade for me on the Dow at the moment, and still waiting for some structure to form that we can actually get in on this. So the trend is clearly up. We should be looking for longs, and if you are long on this and still holding, congratulations. But let's just get through the hour. So yesterday we pretty much gapped up and ran all the way. Okay, so if we just come back into where the entry was pretty much on the break of this previous high here. You can see break up, gapped onto it, and then we rallied. And there wasn't really any other structure since then. I suppose we could argue at the close there was a bit of structure to get in, but yeah, I think this thing is on its way up, and it is frustrating when it's running away. You know it's going up and you can't have an entry, but I have to stick to my rules. And my rules are I need to trade off support, and there is no support at the moment that is interesting me right now. So if we just zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so you can see what's happened here. This is yesterday's open down, and even that wasn't really support. I suppose we tagged that swing low there and bounced off it. Formed a bit of a sort of a range here, bounced up, came back off it last night, and then now we're buying even the Asian Open again. So if it carries on like this, I think your next level really is going to be what we've just broken through here. So what you're looking for is some kind of a pullback onto a 25,174, and that should get you long. Your stop is going to be below this area here. It's a 61 point stop, so it's not so bad. Stop is going to be below 24,941. Now we just switch back to the higher time frames. This little doji bar here is a bit concerning, but it is a higher high. You can see it created a higher high over the last 8-hour period. This trend is up. Okay, and as I said yesterday, more than likely that gap is the next level that we're targeting. Okay, it is looking a little bit overbought. So yeah, for me, still waiting for that pullback on the Dow. Not really interested in chasing breaks like this. I'm not good at that, so I tend to lose more than I make chasing breaks. So we'll just be patient, wait for the retest, and take it from there. So that's kind of the structure that I can see at the moment. We have broken this range. You can see it's quite a clearly defined range at the moment. So I'd want to see a retest, and I'd be interested in taking a long off 25,174 with a stop below 24,941. But yeah, not going to do that now. We'll wait for the Asian session to finish and then look at it in Europe again. If it doesn't stop and it keeps running to the upside, I think 25,628 should cap us somewhat. So we'll go back to 4 hour here just to double check. There is some resistance at that level, quite a bit of resistance at that level. So yeah, so that's kind of the plan for today. We'll see what happens. If we can get a pullback, I'll definitely be interested. If we don't get a pullback, there's plenty of other opportunities, especially on the Forex market at the moment with breakouts everywhere. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view on the Dow at the moment. Long it is, wait for the pullback, get in on the long, get your stop below structure, and you are targeting this gap here at 25,628. Okay, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.